Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.